the screen. Is that Martin? Is that Martin? Who's so handsome? Yeah, this always cheers him up. Like, literally always cheers him up. He was just having a nuclear meltdown. Put him on the screen. He's completely fine. Huh? Yeah. You practice your wave? No. What's going on? This is Brianna and Martin. We're coming to you makeup free, hair a mess, because, you know, mom life. Anyway, in this video, I want to share with you this body butter that I've been using. I have very, very sensitive, very dry skin. So does Martin. So I've concocted this 3-ingredient, well, I mean, I guess you could technically use it with 4 ingredients if you want to. And it's scent-free, all organic body butter. And it's baby safe as well. I did check with the pediatrician, although you always want to spot test because Martin, like myself, has terrible dry skin. So this is great. My problem areas are elbows and knees. I get dry, crusty, you know, grossness on there, and my hands as well. So I hope you like the video and watch through the whole thing. Like, comment, subscribe, everything like that. If you haven't already done so, please do. All right, we'll see you on the other side.
Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to start with your melted coconut oil, and then you're going to add the jojoba oil. You're going to want 1 tablespoon's worth of jojoba oil to this. That's going to add vitality to the actual coconut oil and give it a nice shine on top of it. So you're just going to mix it in real well. From there, you're going to want to start with just regular vitamin E, either capsules, which I'm using, or a vitamin E oil. You're going to want to use about capsules of capsules, and that turns out to 1 teaspoon. So just go ahead and puncture a hole through them and squeeze the oil out of the vitamin E capsule into your 1 teaspoon measuring cup. It does get sticky, so mind you, it does take a good deal of those capsules. Like I said, it does get sticky, so keep an eye out. Try not to get it everywhere, because I definitely did. And you're just going to go ahead and stir that up. You're going to freeze it before you go ahead and start to whip it, though. You're going to want to get it a nice whipped cream almost consistency. If it's too oily for you, you can add either arrowroot flour or cornstarch. I just use it straight, and as you can see, I'm applying it to my problem areas, which are my elbows, which I talked about in the beginning. You can apply it all over the body. I apply it all over the body when I get out of the shower, but however, for the purpose of this video, I am applying it strictly to my elbows. It's also great on feet if you get cracked heels, among other places as well. Just finish out the remaining on your hands and work into your nail beds for an additional nail oil if you don't already use that in your beauty routine.
Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed the body butter video. I hope that you are able to send it to someone who would be able to use it, someone who maybe also has sensitive skin. There are a lot of things out there on the market that are expensive when it comes to organic, you know, body butters and creams and things like that. I was using one particular product, but it was like $12 for a tube of it, and the tube was like, you know, yay big by like that big in circumference. It would like the size of like a silver dollar in, you know, circumference by probably like 3 inches, and it was like $12, and it, you know, didn't get all of my problem areas. It was really good for just like spots, but not for everything. And this body butter you can literally put all over the place. I did say at the beginning it is pediatrician safe. I did check with my pediatrician prior to administering some to Martin, but always double triple check with your pediatrician if you intend to use it on your baby. And then on top of that on top of that, you always want to do a just a little splotch test somewhere, maybe on your baby's foot or something like that, so that you just make sure he or she isn't actually allergic to it. Oh, now you're waving. Oh, now you're waving, huh? You clapping too? Oh, you're showing all your tricks today. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who you believe will use it, and any of the other new moms that are out there who are desperately looking for things that they can use to take care of themselves. That doesn't break the bank. All right, and this is Brianna and Martin. Brianna and Martin signing out. Bye.